I'm here overlooking the entrance to Husker Harvest Days 2008. It's packed full of people and lots of stuff going on inside. Let's go on in and see what people have to say.
Larry Post, I'm from Napanee, Nebraska. I just come out here to see what's new and get some ideas on some cattle, pens and stuff like that. Never know, you might see something that's new that you get an idea on.
I'm named Sean Spreeberry. I'm from Beloit, Kansas. We came out here with our welding class from North Central Kansas Technical College. It's the first time I've been out here, so it's pretty fun for first time because I'm from Florida. We don't have this kind of stuff out there, so it's pretty cool.
So you say that you plan to come here and you plan on coming here in the future?
Yes, I'll probably come every year after this. So.
What do you like about it so far? What are some of the favorite things you've seen?
Well, the welding stuff, like Jackson's out here, all the big guys are out here, and I mean you can get some good quality stuff for cheaper than you could get it out of the shops and stuff. So,
all right,
it's pretty cool.
Have in your residence, in your houses. And as you can tell, it don't take very long to heat that. The wind's really taking that.
Ron Mimick from David City came out to bring my son. He wants to have a future in agriculture.
Is this something you plan to come out to every year, or just this year? Or?
The last 3 or 4 years we've been out here.
And what do you think of it this year?
It seems to be a little bigger in terms of products that are here and vendors that are here. That it seems to be a little more because there's a little more money in agriculture right now, possibly.
And so you're the one pushing to come out here this year to learn a little bit about what's going on?
Yeah, the last 4 years we've came out. It's been pretty nice.
What do you think of it? What are the interesting things that you came to see?
All the new equipment and how simple little things can make a big effect in ag.
We'll see what happens. Well, there's Dad having a good time. There's Dad. Baby is out the back.
Where I can keep